students, great ideas often come from asking simple questions. This questioning mind leads to breaking all the conventional ideas, challenging and enhancing the future. At SCMS Pune, we encourage research as part of our curriculum by actively asking and letting students to participate in research workshops, case study presentations, and discussions. Research helps the student to change what they have learned into action, and this helps them to enhance and fine-tune their own self, that leads to their own enhancement as well as the enhancement of the nation. Here at SCMS Pune, our students and faculty, due to the participation in various conferences, seminars and symposiums, they get into new ideas, challenges the existing phenomena and existing hypotheses and postulates, which gives them a hands-on and fine-tunes them, enhances their skill and makes them future ready, preparing them for the future and making them as lifelong learners.